Hey guys, in our first point, we have completed the privilege escalation tactics session. And in this video, we'll be discussing a few things like what are the other ways we can do the privilege escalation. There are a lot of ways, like token duplications, we see the token manipulations, impersonations was there. Everything was coming under the similar way, basically, but there are few more ways to do. Example, we use the print spooler for IC impersonate, but there is a rock potato, rotten potato, and juicy potato. There are few other tools will also doing a similar kind of activities. But if you see another kind, it's like exploiting internal service for a privilege escalation. If there is any internal service running that was outdated or it's vulnerable to any of an privilege escalation method, so you can follow that. You can do the privilege escalations by uh, you can do the privilege escalations by using that service which you have. So we will be discussing one of our tools that will be provide something uh, coming up to the privilege escalation that's called as a win piece. You can find that in a directory that was running in a background. You can see in command prompt. Okay, so let me show you something. If you run the win piece, absolutely the EDR will be get detecting and it will be stopping you. Literally the AVs also can able to perform that. Okay, so. Uh, Basically, this win piece will be giving you some idea what are the ways, what are the techniques you can follow to do a privilege uh, escalation here. So it's nothing. You can get the win piece from GitHub and you can run that in a PowerShell. Okay, so I just used this page winpiece.ps1 and I run using the PowerShell like winpiece.ps1. That's all. So nothing about to nothing rocket science of speaking here to running the win piece. Just download that and just run it with a .ps1. That's all. So nothing you need to do. Okay. So this will enumerate all the registry keys and all the process where we can do a privilege escalation. Okay. So you can see it already taken many uh, process informations and all. Okay, this will be an awesome tool to do a privilege escalation thing. So, but it will take a lot of time to complete. It was still running. I have scanned before a few minutes back. I don't know whether when the scanning is going to complete, but if you run in your own environment, that will be pretty good coming up with. But one thing keep in mind, it will be absolutely get detected by the AVs and DDR, so you can't stop that. There it's already a detection for that, okay, and it will be doing a lot of enumeration for a privilege escalation. Okay, cool. That's all about the session privilege escalation. We'll hop off and we'll see you guys in the next session. Credential access. See you guys. Bye bye.